She's angry at you because you make her angry. You insist that she doesn't care. You give it no matter how you give it. What should you do? It's a headache, isn't it? You have an idea. You go and buy a pair of small red pants, then you roll it into a fabric roll, then you use a cloth string, but there is a steel core inside to secure it. Be careful because this is her favorite gift for a pair of transparent lace pants. And then run again to buy a gift wrap. You will use it to wrap your gift. After folding the paper around the flower, you will use another strand of wire with another steel cord to tie it in a shape that favorite gift for a pair of transparent lace pants. Then continue to make the flowers beautiful leaves like nature. To make it look real, this you need to be very meticulous to be able to create a turning point in her heart. I believe you can do it because your love for her is so great. Not only will these things help you apologize to her, but also the way you score in her eyes. So try to make it look good. Someday she will be angry with you. AHYX, bring NSO and give it to her. At first she just thought it was a normal fake flower, but it was unexpected to draw a special fake flower, and her favorite gift is a pair of small pants that every time she goes to bed will look more attractive even if nobody cares about you. So I helped you to close the distance with her, then wish you success. You two were having fun together when she suddenly asked for a gift, a delicate gift that only the two of you know. It was a pair of small pants that she really liked. You pondered for a while and haven't. You buy a basket of ice cream and eat it, except for the sticks. Then you use them to make small pants of her choice. You use them on a flat surface and glue candles to connect them together. You arrange the ice cream sticks in a frame drawn earlier, and of course it's a picture of a pair of small pants. You meticulously and carefully put the bamboo sticks together. Finally, you have finished one side of the bamboo pants. Please continue to do so until the back of the pants outline. Then you use some excess bamboo sticks to make a connection between the front and the back to contribute to perfect the pants. Try to squeeze out a lot of glue for the pants to be sure you don't want her to wear it and it will fall off. You attach this to the back. Please calm down, but do not rush. Let her wait while enjoying the funeral display made by her own man. She will be very happy. When you finish the product, please groom it beautifully and take it to her house. Call her out and give her your best present. You've given your time and effort to make this gift for her, so be confident. Tell her to close her eyes and take her pants off. To her surprise, you see, she's very surprised. Her emotions are pouring out. That is indeed a great product. Oh, but why does she react unhappily? Maybe you designed it too tight for her to put it on just now. Please run home and expand it a little wider, then bring it back to her. Maybe she will be happy again.